Hey, what's up YouTube? I just got in my exhaust today. Yes, it's eBay. I'm doing like a whole full budget build on this thing. So it's a Spec-D. It's supposed to be like the N1 replica, I guess. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of this. So I hope you enjoy. Wow. This is the, I guess you call it the big ass fart cannon on this thing. Got it nicely wrapped. Will it fit though, is my thing. I'm gonna take this all to a muffler shop and have them weld it. Because as you know, my manifold that came with my turbo kit, it did not fit with the AC. It was too far out to the right, so they gotta cut it and shorten it by at least an inch. I'm hoping you can see me on the camera. I can't see it. Everything looks like it's there. Yeah, here's the part I want to see. Oh yeah, this thing's fucking massive. It's actually pretty light. Take this apart. Oh wow. Hope you can see this. Awesome, it came with all the parts. Looks like it didn't come with the right shot. Or the Allen key. Which is fine. Man, this thing is shiny. Now. Alright, that was fun. Let me get the camera. Looks pretty nice. I forgot to wrap this thing on here. Wow, you can really see the reflection in this thing. It's got the silencer in it, which is great. I don't think it's going to make much of a difference though. The welds look really good. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I gotta get my wheels to look like this. Pretty wicked. So after this video, I'm gonna do the install, and then I'm gonna drive it to the muffler shop. I'm gonna have to figure out something so I can have it hanging, so they can make a custom pipe from my header, or not my header, I'm sorry, my exhaust downpipe to my actual exhaust here. So, alright, I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll find out then, I guess, tomorrow and see how everything fits. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, I actually just got this in the mail. These are actually my 550cc injectors with the pigtails. I'm also waiting for my 255 fuel pump. I'm going to do an install video of both of these, and of course the exhaust, which is right there. So I'm going to install that all tomorrow. I'm probably going to do it in like parts, as I have to take my exhaust to get it fixed. Not for this, but they might have to extend this because I bought this for my old hatch I used to have, and I know it was short by like 2-3 inches. So, but we'll see, I guess. Maybe they fix it over the years. But yeah, I'm going to do an install video of my 550cc injectors, my fuel pump, and then I guess I'll show you how to put the exhaust in. It's pretty straightforward. It's all bolt on. But I am running turbo, so the downpipe might be not long enough. So, like I said, we'll find out. This is all a budget build, so I hope all these videos help you. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know I got my injectors. Now I'm just waiting for the fuel pump, and I'll probably put a video together for the weekend. Alright, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.